Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to run a disk cleanup on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is just go open up the search magnifying glass down in your system taskbar. And then in the type here, the search field, type in disk cleanup. Best result should come back with disk cleanup. Go ahead and open that up. Checkmark whichever files you want to remove over here on the left side, and then select Clean Up System Files. And now you want to go ahead and select OK again. Select Delete Files. And there you go, guys. Should be simple as that. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.